What does your father do? What does your father do?
He's an engineer. He's an engineer.
Where does your friend live? Where does your friend live?
In New York. In New York.
Is your brother older than you? Is your brother older than you?
Yes, 2 years older. Yes, 2 years older.
Do your parents live nearby? Do your parents live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away. Yes, just 10 minutes away.
Does your sister like music? Does your sister like music?
Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot.
Is your friend coming today? Is your friend coming today?
No, he's busy. No, he's busy.
Do your classmates speak English? Do your classmates speak English?
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
What school does your child attend? What school does your child attend?
Maple Elementary. Maple Elementary.
Does your mother drive? Does your mother drive?
No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't.
Is your cousin your age? Is your cousin your age?
Yes, we're both 18. Yes, we're both 18.
Do you use a laptop? Do you use a laptop?
Yes, for work. Yes, for work.
Is your phone new? Is your phone new?
Yes, I just bought it. Yes, I just bought it.
Do you like online shopping? Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's easy. Yes, it's easy.
Do you use Wi-Fi at home? Do you use Wi-Fi at home?
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Is your internet fast? Is your internet fast?
Not really. Not really.
Do you use social media daily? Do you use social media daily?
Yes, Instagram and Facebook. Yes, Instagram and Facebook.
Do you have a tablet? Do you have a tablet?
No, just a phone. No, just a phone.
Do you play games on your phone? Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you watch movies online? Do you watch movies online?
Yes, on Netflix. Yes, on Netflix.
Do you know how to code? Do you know how to code?
A little bit. A little bit.
Are you learning English? Are you learning English?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Is English difficult? Is English difficult?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you speak another language? Do you speak another language?
Yes, Urdu. Yes, Urdu.
How long have you studied English? How long have you studied English?
For 2 years. For 2 years.
Do you like English? Do you like English?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
Can you write in English? Can you write in English?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you take English classes? Do you take English classes?
Yes, online ones. Yes, online ones.
Do you watch English movies? Do you watch English movies?
Often, with subtitles. Often, with subtitles.
Can you spell your name in English? Can you spell your name in English?
Yes, easily. Yes, easily.
Is grammar important? Is grammar important?
Yes, very important. Yes, very important.
Do you like surprises? Do you like surprises?
Yes, who doesn't? Yes, who doesn't?
Have you ever seen snow? Have you ever seen snow?
No, never. No, never.
Do you believe in luck? Do you believe in luck?
A little bit. A little bit.
Have you been abroad? Have you been abroad?
Yes, once. Yes, once.
Can you whistle? Can you whistle?
Yes, loudly. Yes, loudly.
Do you like camping? Do you like camping?
Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
Yes, since childhood. Yes, since childhood.
Do you like scary movies? Do you like scary movies?
No, I get scared easily. No, I get scared easily.
Do you wear glasses? Do you wear glasses?
Only for reading. Only for reading.
Do you use an alarm clock? Do you use an alarm clock?
No, I use my phone. No, I use my phone.
Can I sit here? Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead.
May I help you? May I help you?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
No, I'm okay. No, I'm okay.
Shall I open the window? Shall I open the window?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Would you like tea or coffee? Would you like tea or coffee?
Tea, please. Tea, please.
Could you pass the salt? Could you pass the salt?
Of course. Of course.
Shall we go? Shall we go?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Would you mind waiting a bit? Would you mind waiting a bit?
Not at all. Not at all.
Do you want anything else? Do you want anything else?
No, that's all. No, that's all.
Can I call you later? Can I call you later?
Yes, anytime. Yes, anytime.